Check out this electric bike. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. There it is right there. And you can get it for 500 bucks. And it folds up. That's a good deal, man. I should buy this. Let's take a look at it. Check her out. I don't know, we have to try it to see if we like it. It's got pedal assist. Its range is 24 kilometers. Maximum speed, 25 or 15 miles per hour. So yeah, I mean, this would be good for getting around town, for sure. I'm gonna say this is a pretty damn good deal. This is a foldable electrical bike, and it's 500 bucks, and check it out. Look at this thing. It is sweet. I mean, really nice. Look at that. And it's got pedal assist on it. I think it's a good deal. Looks like disc brakes. Yeah, for 500 bucks. Shoot, that's cheaper than most bikes.